In a previous AZ-900 video, I showed you the different networking services that were added when you create a new virtual machine. Now let's take a look at some of the network types, such as the Azure Virtual Network. This is a fundamental building block for your private network within Azure. It's going to provide an extension of your on-premises network into the Azure cloud. And you've got virtual subnets. This is a subnet that divides a virtual network into smaller, manageable addresses. You can place specific services or resources within these subnets to segment your network. Sometimes we like to segment our networks and put in access control lists between them because we don't want certain resources to talk to other resources. And you can certainly do that with virtual subnets. After that, you've got virtual peering. VNet peering connects two or more Azure virtual networks to enable resources in different networks in case you're using the virtual subnets that was previously mentioned. And it allows communication with each other as if they were on a single network. It creates this low latency, high bandwidth connection that keeps traffic on the Microsoft backbone. After that, we have Azure DNS, and it works just like any other type of DNS for name resolution. It allows you to define DNS records for your virtual machines and other services, which makes them easier to discover and access. Then there's the VPN gateway service, and that sends encrypted traffic between Azure and on-premises locations over the public internet. We talked about Azure Express Route before. This extends your on-premises network into the cloud over private connection. But unlike VPN, which uses the public internet, Express Route is going to use a private connection from a network service provider. That gives you better bandwidth, reliability, and lower latency. Networking, resource types, and functions are all important terms for your AZ-900 exam. Once again, you don't need deep knowledge when it comes to these types of services and features, but you do need to understand a brief explanation as you saw in this video.